And joining us now on the phone is Michael Markowski. He's a startup expert with Trophy Investing. Michael, welcome back to the program.
Hey, Don, it's great to be back with you.
Now, we've been talking with you about startup companies, startup app companies specifically, where people can invest as little as $100 in, correct?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Now, you've got a table for us we want to take a look at. Table number one, we see some cereal boxes. What's that all about?
Well, Airbnb, Don, was founded as a startup company just before the market crashed in 2008. Since the founders of Airbnb had tapped out their credit cards and it was very difficult to raise capital at the time, they resorted to buying 1,000 boxes of Cheerios and Captain Crunch cereal. They created two posters for each of the two boxes with the pictures for the two presidential candidates, Barack Obama and John McCain. They glued them on the boxes. They were then able to get publicity by being on a national TV show for their cereal boxes. This enabled them to raise their first $30,000 from selling boxes of cereal, which they'd marked up to $40 per box.
That's amazing. Now, you've got another table here. Tell me about this picture.
Well, this picture is actually the picture of one of the founders of Airbnb in his apartment, along with the posters and the boxes that he was utilizing to manufacture these Airbnb boxes. The founders, this is amazing, the founders of Airbnb even lived off the cereal boxes that they did not sell by eating cereal until they ate all the cereal because money was so tight. The story is a case book study for entrepreneurism.
We've got a third table here to take a look at. Tell me about this.
This table contains the amount that one could have made by investing $100 into 4 of the most popular smartphone apps when the companies were startups. Had you invested $100 in Airbnb, you would have made $2 million. In Uber, you would have made $1.35 million. WhatsApp, $730,000, and from Snapchat, $160,000. Now, Snapchat has a similar story as Airbnb. A guy comes home one day from work and found as an investment banker and found his kids playing with the Snapchat app. They were very excited about it. So after he called, he found who the inventor was, called them, and he learned that Snapchat needed capital. So he, his friends, and the Catholic high school that his kids attended invested in the company when it was a startup stage. On Snapchat's IPO in 2017, the high school made more than $20 million from their $15,000 investment. Now,
there's still opportunities, Michael, to invest in app startups?
Yes. The chart shows that between now and 2020, there will be 1.4 million apps to hit the App Store. So app investment opportunities are abundant.
So people look at the 4 that you were talking about, but there are now new opportunities that are coming along virtually every day, right? That people could invest $100 in? Yeah.
Yes, there's presently 2 that there's an app that I've identified that has the same potential of these 4 that one can invest as little as $100 in. There's another digital startup company that one can invest as little as $100 in. Both of these have the potential, if they hit, to make $1 million sometime in the next decade. Not this decade. It don't move that fast. Your viewers should invest $100 into each of them to diversify. It's because historical data shows that only 25% of the startups become successful. However, it only takes one, Don, to make a fortune. One should plan on investing $100 into at least 10 different startups.
Well, once again, for more information, visit the website MoneyTV.club. Again, Michael Markowski, Trophy Investing. Michael, so exciting. Thanks so much for joining us again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.